Hello and welcome to my art studio. My name is Halley. I'm a painter here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I have behind me today the largest canvas that I have ever purchased. It is 36 inches by 72 inches, so that's 3 feet by 6 feet wide. I'm going to be painting horizontally. And I'm 5'2", so for me this canvas is actually larger than life. I do a lot of kind of surreal botanical like landscape imagery, and I really love the viewer to feel like they're actually in the location when they're looking at it. I really want you to feel fully immersed in the painting, so that's why I go big. My process is a little bit different the way I work. I don't plan these paintings in advance. I really just let it reveal itself. I use a combination of reference photos that I've collected over the years and also just my own imagination. So I'm going to be documenting my process on this underpainting and how I start an acrylic painting today. Thank you for being here with me, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, it is day 2 and I am going to jump back in and hopefully finish up this underpainting today. As you can see, I did a little bit more after I cut the camera off yesterday and worked on it a little bit this morning as well. So still a long ways to go. I'm going to show you the reference photo that I've been using. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a picture of me with my kids in our old garden. I used to grow my own banana trees, so I do still have a whole bunch of pictures of them, and it can be quite useful when I'm trying to figure out the different shapes or maybe movements of a certain direction of a leaf. Anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and just jump back in and see if I can get this finished up. Alright you guys, so that is it for today. I now have my finished underpainting, laying out my colors, values, and composition, although it will continue to change quite a bit as I work on this painting. If you're curious to see what the finished piece turns out like, don't forget to hit subscribe and follow along, and I'll see you on the next one.